The milling machine is mainly through the rotary movement of the milling cutter. Machining equipment supplemented by workpiece feed movement. The milling machine relies on its powerful processing capabilities and accurate machining accuracy. With different types of milling cutters, flexible switching of processing modes coordinate with the linear or curved feed motion of the workpiece. The machining is completed by the cutting action of the milling cutter edge in the workpiece. Milling machines are widely used in automobile manufacturing and molds, processing, hardware accessories, and other industries. The processing range of milling machines is very wide. It can easily complete various types of processing steps, adapt to the processing of parts with different specifications and accuracy requirements. In addition to that, in processing materials, it is highly adaptable. This includes the processing of cylindrical parts. When machining cylinders, the workpiece can be fixed with the help of special fixtures such as indexing heads and chucks. Let the workpiece rotate around its own axis. With the feed movement of the milling cutter, can be milled to produce a complete cylindrical surface. Compound features such as grooves, planes, and tooth shapes can also be machined on cylindrical surfaces. Whether it is a plane, a slope, a groove, a step, or complex contours like gears, splines, surfaces, etc., can process ordinary carbon steel, stainless steel, cast iron, and other metal materials. It can also handle some engineering plastics and composites. It can meet the customized processing needs of single pieces and small batches. It can also be adapted to large-scale operations and high-volume production lines. Significantly improve processing efficiency. Would you like to know more about our company's products or services? Welcome your attention subscription. Welcome to leave a message in the comment area and consultation to get more industry information.